Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Lebret is a small community located in the Qu'Appelle Valley of southern Saskatchewan, set along the shores of Mission Lake. Surrounded by rolling hills and a chain of interconnected lakes, the valley offers a striking contrast to the flat prairie landscape beyond. Lebret's setting has long made it a natural gathering place, combining access to water, shelter, and scenic beauty in one of the province's most recognizable landscapes. The area has deep indigenous roots. For generations, Cree and Saulteaux peoples lived, traveled, and gathered in the valley, relying on its lakes and natural resources. The name Qu'Appelle, meaning who calls, comes from a French interpretation of a Cree legend about a voice echoing across the valley. This story is still closely associated with the region and reflects the long-standing cultural significance of the land. Lebret itself began to take shape in the mid-1800s. In 1864, Catholic missionaries, led by Father Joseph Huguenard and others from the Oblates of Mary Immaculate, established a mission in the area. This mission became a central point for religious, educational, and community life. Over time, it grew into one of the most important early settlements in the Qu'Appelle Valley. Religious and educational buildings became defining features of the community. The Sacred Heart Church, built in 1923, stands as one of the most recognizable landmarks in Lebret, overlooking Mission Lake. Nearby, other historic structures reflect the village's role as a center for missionary and institutional life in the region. These buildings remain important to both the local community and visitors interested in the area's history. Lebret has always been a small community. Today, its population is under 200 people, giving it a quiet, close-knit atmosphere. Despite its size, the village plays a meaningful role in the region due to its history and its location within the valley. Seasonal visitors and those exploring nearby lakes and beaches often pass through, adding to its sense of connection within the broader area. The natural environment continues to shape life in Lebret. Mission Lake and the surrounding hills provide opportunities for outdoor recreation, including fishing, boating, and hiking. The valley's unique geography creates a more sheltered climate than the surrounding prairie, supporting a mix of vegetation and wildlife that adds to the area's appeal. Today, Lebret reflects both its historical importance and its present-day quiet character. It is a place where layers of history, from indigenous heritage to missionary influence, are visible in the landscape and community. It offers not only scenic views, but also a deeper understanding of the stories that have shaped the Qu'Appelle Valley over time. Thanks for watching!